The 7 best business strategy examples I've ever seen. Most entrepreneurs dream of an innovative product or service that surprises their rivals and takes new markets by storm. What is a business strategy? Best business strategies. Number 1. Tesla playing the long game. It also means that the first version of your product usually has to be sold at a reasonably low starting price to compensate for its lack of features and generate interest. Best business strategies. Number 2. Airbnb forgetting all about scalability. So Brian and Joe decided to take matters into their own hands. Best business strategies. Number 3. Toyota humility can be the best business strategy. That's one of the reasons the US market was caught off guard when Toyota started selling Japanese-made cars in the US at lower prices than they could match. Toyota proved that knowing one's weaknesses can be the key to success and be one of the best business strategies you can ever deploy. Best business strategies. Number 4. HubSpot creating an industry then dominating it. And most impressively, they've become such a successful company in an industry that didn't even exist before they invented it. The theory was that if you could produce enough good quality content to pull people to your website, then enough of them might stick around to take a look at the product you're actually selling. Best business strategies. Number 5. Apple iPhone launch shows tremendous restraint. One of the most common misconceptions in the startup world is that it's the idea that matters the most. Right finger use the Apple strategy plan template to get inspired by Apple's strategy to build your own. Books. Learn more about Apple in our strategy study, How Apple Became the Top Non-Corporate Tech Brand. Best business strategies. Number 6. PayPal daring to challenge the status quo. Best business strategies. Number 7. Spotify changing the rules of the music industry. Sure, you had platforms like Napster and the Pirate Bay, but they were illegal and you never knew when they would get shut down. When Spotify launched in 2008, it was a game changer. This allowed them to attract a huge user base and generate revenue from both the free and paying users. They invested heavily in data analysis and machine learning, which allowed them to create algorithms to predict which songs and artists users will like and recommend them accordingly, going one step further into user personalization. More excellent business strategy examples. FAQs. A business strategy is designed to achieve specific business objectives within a certain market or industry, which in turn contributes to achieving the overall corporate objectives of the organization.